Most people get this wrong when they try to delete their Swagbucks account. They expect a simple delete button, one click, and everything disappears instantly. But here's the truth no one tells you. Swagbucks account deletion is not always instant, and in many cases, you need to follow a specific process through account settings or customer support to fully close your account. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to delete your Swagbucks account in 2026, what to do before deleting it, and the common mistakes you should avoid. Let's get straight into it. First, before you delete anything, you need to check your remaining Swagbucks balance. This is where most people fail. They forget to redeem their remaining points or cash value before closing the account. Once the account is deleted or deactivated, you may lose access to any remaining rewards. For example, Jake rushes to delete his account without checking his balance and loses unused rewards. Alex takes a few seconds to redeem everything first, then proceeds with deletion safely. That simple step can make a big difference. Now here's where it gets interesting. Swagbucks accounts may not always be permanently deleted immediately. In some cases, accounts are deactivated first, and then fully removed after processing. So don't panic if you still see your account active for a short period after submitting a request. But here's the problem. Many users try to delete their account from the app only and can't find a delete option. That leads to confusion because account closure often requires going through the help or support section instead. In a minute, I'll show you the exact steps to request full account deletion properly. Before that, make sure you remove any linked payment methods or personal information if you are concerned about data privacy. This is an optional step but can help you feel more secure before closing the account. Now here's the correct process. Go to the Swagbucks help or support section and search for account deletion or account closure. Submit a request to customer support asking them to permanently delete your account. Include your registered email and any verification details if required. Once submitted, wait for confirmation from the support team. They may ask you to verify your identity before processing the request. Let's quickly recap. Check and redeem your remaining balance first. Understand that deletion may take time. Use the support system to request account closure. Avoid relying only on app settings. And follow any verification steps provided. Following these steps ensures a smooth account deletion process in 2026 without losing rewards or running into issues. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more Swagbucks tutorials and digital earning tips, and let me know in the comments why you're closing your account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.